Dollar index, we start with the daily chart. We want to analyze the chart for the next week. Okay, if we refer to our analysis since last month, we mentioned that we are more interested in the up move. But the question was whether the prices can start from here, we get the up move, or we can expect from here the price to drop, break this low before we get the what we are looking for. Okay, this is what we have been discussing. And now the things is we want to see based on daily what I mean we are within this move. We need to see how we can trade for the next week. Okay, in this case, if I move to forward chart, as I show based on daily chart, we are within this move. And how we are going to look for this? If we consider we have this correction in relative to this, and we have this, how deep this one can go? Because in that time we will be within the bigger correction for the next move up in relative to this. Okay, the only things we need to know how deep this one can go, whether it can break this low or not. Okay, but what we expect, as long as the price come to this level, then from there we can look for buy. We don't need the price break this low, because reversing from here or breaking this low, it can give us a different correction. Anyway, in this case we move to lower time frame 1 hour chart. Okay, based on lower 1 hour chart, maybe we put our line above this and here. Okay, now from what we have here, still we can expect the price to come to drop, whether it can break this low or not, or here, but still we are expecting the price to drop before we get this move up. All right, and in that case we will have this move. All right, and if we just focus on this part for the next week, if we get any, I mean, we will wait, we see what we will get here. If we get any sell opportunity from here, there we can sell it. Why? Because we want to see whether we will have this correction or not. But right now we don't have any sell setup. It depends what we will get next week here. If we get a correction, any sell setup we take it, and our target will be here. All right, then whether it can break this low or not, it depends on what how it can move. All right, anyway, for the next week, we want to see what we will get here. Any sell opportunity, we are more interested. Okay, and is there any possibility the price can start from here? We get this move without dropping and coming to this level? Yes. All right, in that case, if we look into this small flag in relation to this, when the market open is if they still we have this move, I mean this car is small flag, any buy we get, it depends whether we can have entry above this or within this flag based on lower time frame. It depends when the market open what we will have, whether remain or not. Okay, any buy we get, we take it and we consider as a short term buy, as long as I mean if we take the buy, as long as we get into the profit, we start to manage it. Okay, maybe we can consider our target to the stop. All right, anyway, for the next week, if we get the buy from this small flag in relation to this, we consider, and if we take, we consider as a short-term buy. As long as we get into the profit, we start to manage it, because for the bigger, we are looking for this move down. We are more interested if we get the down move, and the buy will be short-term buy. All right, anyway, we just wait for the next week, and when the market open, we see what we will get here. The possibility of getting the small buy, I mean the short-term buy, and based on bigger correction, we can expect to get the down move, at least the price come to this level. Anyway, when the market open, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share on YouTube. Thanks.